I got the chance to compete nabo buJwaha and nabanye.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where iqale khona kahle Mountain Robbers.
Okay, Tatuske. So you've actually made a name for yourself. Kudiski.
Sure.
To a point where you are even certified with certificate as a coaching because you've taken some lessons under a coaching.
Sure.
And then from there you opened a team, the Ashes to Ashes.
Sure.
Along the way, we are Valley team.
Sure.
I remember you announced on Facebook bangaba Ashes to Ashes ayisazuk exist based on normal reasons or was stated then.
Sure.
And then there was a return of Ashes to Ashes. Now take me through their process there ukuthi ibuya kanjani Ashes to Ashes.
Bese Valley.
Yeah.
Look, when MK from the decision enandiyithathile ba ngoku ndiyayivala Ashes.
Yeah.
Deep down in my heart I was not like uba ndiyivala forever. It was a break.
Okay.
But I couldn't say by that time ndiyithatha a break ndithi I'm taking a break because bendingafuna abantu bazi my next move.
Okay.
I said ndiyayivala Ashes to Ashes so that abantu mabebambe kuloo ndawo. But deep down in my heart I knew I will come back as I'm back now.
Okay.
You know, when I close it, that time ndiyivala, I think I had a lot. Yes, there was too much pressure. The game was getting too personal around Ekasi. The rival between me and Amanyama teams. Our Ekasi, it was like I understand it's getting out of hand. So let me just take a break.
Okay.
Then I will come back. So yeah, Naival. I remember the last one, the slogan was Ashes to Ashes, the last one.
Yeah.
So I knew I would be back as I'm back now. From there, another reason Indians step it down a little bit. I was opening up Eland and then I'm getting with business. So personal, I wanted to focus to my business.
Okay.
To ukhulisa iTuske driving school.
Qalibambi
moment, then I'll come back. I knew once ibambi momentum, I'll come back in the game. And that's why now, that's where I am at this stage. Okay, the business side is balanced now. I can even if nobody things